JB.
JB. Wala, oo. Oh my gosh. Ang pagkaon, guys.
Mag-bless mo sa ilahan.
Bless, okay. You bless, okay?
Itag sa asa sa
Like a movie, like a dragon.
You say hi. Hi. Hi here. Hi. Yeah, very good.
Where'd you see that? What kind of room? Here. Down there? Why the golden
Alam guys, ito ba rin matulog 19 daw? Wala ko madayon.
Hi, te. Ako na video. Baby.
Ilang ka buka ginamulatan ko rin.
Ang upan naman ko dito sa baba. Sarah.
Ilan ako ano rin. Tagay naman ito.
Smile, say hi.
Hi, is it Mama's daddy?
Yeah. I know it's Tita Kling Kling.
Ay, grabe duha-duha gid og cellphone.
Of course, i-vlog ba yan? Dato ni Day.
Mag-vlog ba yan?
Yes, mag-vlogger na ba yan?
Malo ta ka na. Gabon nag live routine ni Marga. Isko na Marga.
Family and sa company na which is nagkanta siya gamay na small business.
Gamay yung
Gamay ang small business. Gamay na gud ka.
So kanilang nagpasalamat ni actually naagihan nga kalisod sa family namo, sa family sa akong wife and also sa company, but still with God's grace na okay gyapon siya, nagpadayon gyapon until such na magpadayon pa gid siya hangtod nanton because it's our kuana mo nga magpadayon gid
ko, daan ako dali sa buong pagkaw first flight Davao na ko.
Kuan Manggod, we want to celebrate this Christmas with our mga lola and lolo like you. Kay kanang na-miss na magod na mga
Sis Alan. Sis yun. Sis yun. Papa! Ingat ka sana. Caleb! Go, Caleb! My God! Smile!
My name is Soda Pop. They wanna flip the top. Oh, okay. Flip the top.
Go, Caleb! Yes, go, go, go!
Just can't get enough. You are the finger, every job I wake up. You're my soda pop, my little soda pop. Call me when we fall, pour me up, I won't stop.
Agan galing
You're
lang mo,
my
Clip.
soda pop, my little soda pop.
Agan lang, Clip.
You're my soda pop, got me every drop.
Mo? Ay, wala man ko nakadungog na busog. Ayan, good. So, in behalf sa Care for the Elderly, housemates, we call them housemates, not patients. Housemates, staff, and the management, I'd like to thank you, ma'am and sir, for your effort and, of course, for sharing your blessings and especially the time. Kung ano ko nag-exert with mo time, maski na Christmas, but still, nagpa-istorbo yun ko. So, thank you so much. So, I'd like to present the certificate of appreciation to Maria Clarice R. Andres and the company for the invaluable contribution rendered in support for the humanitarian activities and programs of the retirees, neglected, abandoned, and less fortunate elderly residents in this institution. Given this 23rd day of December 2025, at the Care for the Elderly Compound, Purok 4, Barangay Diaw, Gianga, Tugbook District, Davao City. Signed by our founder, Executive Director, Ma'am Pepa Arongo. So again, Merry Christmas.
May hapon, nabusog na ba tanan? Oh, namigili. Boy, dara ang chef cook at dedang. Now, wala yung chef cook. Tala. Sa abakay. Wala siya ang chef cook. 2 a.m. Nagluto na siya ganina. Pwede palakpakan na to. Yay! Siya na ganda isa nagluto ganina. Assistant ko po. So, thank you, Tidang. So, okay lang. Before we start our prayer, our program of praise at Akademi, no?
Na Merry Christmas!
I've seen a spell in blue. Oh, yeah, you're here beside me. Here to save my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dream come true. You're my darling, and you praise me. This is what I wanna do. I kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. I kiss me in the morning with all your might. Kiss me in the morning. I kiss me in the night. I kiss me in the daytime. I kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real tight. I kiss me, darling, with all your might. Okay, thank you.
Sayon ko, Jay.
Kanta ko ha?
YouTube na lang.
O, ganahan mo rin ang kanta.
Rumba.
Para sa inyo,
Rumba,
para
rumba.
sa akong mama nga. Wala na po.
po. Anong mama ka lang, nag-iisa din ako sa picture. Pwede mong mama po. Ano na siya last year. So, kani, na-remind na po sa, remember na mo mama po nga, wala na, namin din para maging happy mo and ma-share na mo ang among talents o blessings. Okay? Hope maganahan mo sa akong kanta karon para sa inyo, ha?
Wala pa gali.
Pretty little baby.
Maganan si Lola, oh.
Pretty little baby.
Dato, di pa bang? Kadang, pag-ano ko, ano na mo?
Pagkana-anak mo ba? Pretty little baby, I'm hoping that you do.
Dito to mo,
You can ask the flowers, I speak for hours. I got all the bluebirds, the really cool birds. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Now it's just the time I'm gonna say young.
Nagpicture ka?
There's much more fun to love while the heart is young and gay. Meet me at the car or at the horse shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you.
I hope na lang nakanta. Kagawin na nakanta? Like a little baby.
The time when both of us are young, puppy lovers have its day. There's just not much to love while the heart is young and gay. Meet me at the car hop or at the pub shop. Meet me in the moonlight or in the daylight. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Pretty little baby, pretty little baby.
God's grace, naka-start mo yung mga small businesses lang ko. But eventually, I know it will become big.
Will become
So,
contractor like
instead
ano?
na ka nang mag-himo-himo
Someday.
ka ng bongga nga Christmas party, we rather ka nang choose to celebrate with you.
God contractor.
Sa mo ang part, both of my parents and sila. Makita na mo ha? Kani, ako ang mama, ako ang papa, both of them are already dead as well. Bata pa na akong mama, kaso lang, na-stroke, mamag siya. Pinapatay edad na yun, namatay, 56. 56, bata na. Oh, basta,
57.
bata pa na ganyan. Ang first na una namatay is akong
Okay, 3, 2, 1, action. Mag-feel lang love. So, this time, nanan diri sa Davao, we want to show you kamong tanan nga, naagya mo'y love, gikan sa amo. So, I hope nga this Christmas, happy lang mo kay you guys also made us happy man. Kay nakita na mo nga, bisag wala nilulag lolo na amo. So,
ayun na nag-do-it yearly. Yearly na yearly.
Mga fans club kaya lang na.
Alala mo ba ako?
Si nanay.
Now performer.
Nice, nice.
So the ride from the
Bless Lola, bless Lola. Yay!
1, 2, 3.
Ano nga kay? Kay, smile! Bye, bye! Okay, go Ate Megan.
Sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman, nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo ba yan? Ako'y nagkanat yakapin. Oh, hanggang sa pagtanda natin. Nagtatanong lang sa'yo kung ba't kaya'y ibigin mo. Kung maputi
Asa man si nanay mo ato?
na
Ihap si nanay ko, ihap si nanay. Oh, ihap si nanay. Ihap si nanay dito. Oh, dali akas ko. Sabay ba? Awit dali din.
Kung araw ang buong buhok ay puputingin, sabay tayong mangangarap ng karaan sa atin. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. Ang nakalipas ay ibabalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako, ang pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi buko, kahit maputi na ang buko.